Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
With its open-air dining, enchanting and endless views from the living room, this historic villa proves to be an entertainer's dream. You are afforded land and expert landscaping, which allows for privacy to grow to expand. The Hammerstein Highland House may also be reimagined to create an exclusive club by designing and building villas and suites on the property. Regardless of one's dream or intentions, this property is well worth the investment. The land area of this villa is approximately 740,220 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this property. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $1,850,000 or Jamaican $284.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.